Overall, resume nito, 7 out of 10. Buong resume, template, single column, ATS friendly, good. Technical skills section, hindi single column, not good. Pag dikit-dikitin mo yung technical skills mo gamit comma or semicolon, para good. Language section, not needed. Hindi related language sa applyan mong role. Arrangement of section, good. No professional experience. So, intern experience yung nilagay niya. Good. Bullet contents, kulang. Walang results sa huli. 3-step process para gumawa ng bullet. Strong action verb, responsibility, result. Manage, strong action verb, responsibility, walang result. Encoded, action verb, responsibility, walang result. Sorted and organized, action verb, responsibility, walang result. Education, certification, development, good. Core competencies, gayahin mo lang yung ginawa natin sa skills, pagtatabi-tabihin, gagamit lang ng comma or semicolon para good. Huwag gagawing 2 columns, huwag gagawing 2 columns. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.